Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a first impression on some new makeup that I just recently purchased. If you haven't seen my recent haul, it was a Sephora haul, some products from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and all that jazz. Make sure you check that out. It'll pop up here or it'll be in the description box below. But we're going to test out that makeup today and create a cute makeup look. So if you like beauty related videos and lifestyle videos, that is what I do here on my channel. I test out products, I do makeup tutorials and everything of that nature. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup videos, and let's jump into this look. All right, so you guys know I usually come on camera with my brows done, but we have a new brow product that I want to try. So I talked about this. This is the Urban Decay Brow Endowed Brow Volumizer Primer and Color, and I got it in the shade dark brown or dark drapes. Looks like this. So we're gonna try this out today. But since it's like a brush type of deal, I am gonna go ahead and draw out the lines that I want to keep it precise as possible with my Morphe brow pencil. I talk about this pencil all the time. I'm not gonna go in with the primer side. I will just try that another day and keep you guys posted. But I'm gonna go ahead into the color side, and we're just gonna go ahead and add the color going the same way that my hairs go up. But I'm gonna put most of the product back here because that's where my eyebrows are kind of sparse. And that's where the filling in needs to be. I do like that the brush is super, super small. So perfect to get in those brows. And it's actually filling it in not too bad. It dried so fast. So if you've never tried this primer and color by Urban Decay Brow Endowed product, it definitely dries fast. I think this would be perfect for those hot days, but we're definitely creeping up on fall, which I'm super excited about. But this is waterproof, and you could tell that it will definitely keep everything in place. So this side I put the primer on, this side I did not. I do notice that the side that has the primer on it is not as like dry and cakey. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my brows with the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer. All right, so brows are done. But yeah, so far so good. It is easy to work with, and you definitely just, a little bit of product goes a long way. So we're gonna jump into eyes today because I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is the PUR Cosmetics Festival palette. And you guys, I think I threw this thing and got too excited that it kind of like broke up, but look at the colors in here. Gorgeous. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Epic, which is this cream, like beige shade. And I'm gonna take the Morphe M504 brush to do that. This is a new brush, so I'm super excited about it. And I'm just gonna dust that all over the lid. PUR usually has like really, really good eyeshadows in my opinion. So I was not mad at it when I found this at, what did I find this at? TJ Maxx for, what is it, $7.99. Make sure you check out that video where I'm showing you guys all of the makeup products I recently got from the Sephora Welcome Back sale and TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all that. I found some great products. Comment down below if you have the good luck when you go into those department stores and finding like high-end makeup products. The next shade I'm gonna go into is Hidden Desert, which is this like burnt orange shade. I'm just gonna pop that right on top of Epic, but mainly out here, and then drag it up to the crease. This brush is really nice. This is a Morphe M504. It's nice. It's definitely getting right where I need it to get in the crease without it just sticking in one spot. All right, because I want to play with this hot pink, we're just gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and do something with this hot pink. So for that, I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is just a Beige Cosmetics brush from a kit, and the pink shade is called Wild Child. She's pretty bright. And I'm gonna place that here. It's not as pigment as I want it to be, so I'm just gonna build it up. And in the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sunset. This is like a really pretty pink slash orange like metallic shade, if you can see that. Super pretty. So I'm gonna go in the corner with that shade, using that same small brush on the other side. These shades are actually picking up differently than the shades that I've swatched. The two matte transition shades are doing really well, but this, not feeling it, you guys. Okay, take 2 of the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go back into those 2 transition shades because I do like those in this palette. I don't know, that pink is not performing like I thought it would on the eyes. And so on the lid, I'm gonna go into Good Vibes, which is this shade here. It's like this really pretty orangey gold. I'm also gonna mix in a little bit of Psychedelic, which is a gold shade as well. So just gonna keep it kind of simple on the eyes. So just simple on the eyes. I just put a little brown in the inner corner. I don't know, when I swatched this palette, I was really excited about it, and I don't know how I feel about it right now. It's not giving me the payoff that I thought I would get. So I'm gonna pop on these lashes that I just got from the Dollar Tree. I talked about these before in a haul as well. These are the Ioni Wispy Dramatic Flare lashes, and they look like this. Comment down below if you've seen these at your Dollar Tree. But they are bomb for $1, girl, for $1. So I'm gonna pop these on, and then we're gonna get to the exciting part of the face. All right, so lashes are on, and I'm super excited to try this primer. This is the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I was so excited when I found this at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Oh, I think I got this one from TJ Maxx. So, and it looks like this white cream. So let's try it out. I don't smell coconut as strong. It's a light, faint coconut. Feels really hydrating though, so I like that. For foundation, I'm just gonna go into the Born This Way Matte 24-Hour Foundation by Too Faced. I did do a review on this foundation, so if you need to check that out, go ahead and check it out. It'll be listed down below in the description box. But I am going to go ahead and apply this, and then we'll talk about the bronzer. But this one is a good one. In a nutshell, it's a good one. Going in with the Too Faced Sculpting Concealers in Warm Beige and Golden Beige. I saw this Laura Mercier Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes, the shade number 2, and the packaging looks like this. I saw this at TJ Maxx for $9.99. I was like, I've never tried it, so I'm gonna try it on one eye, but it looks like this. Really like light, faint shade. But it says a blurring powder, and I did feel it. Once I got home, I felt it. It's super, super, super like blurry and really fine. So I'm gonna try this on my under eye and see what it does. It still keeps my eye light, my under eye light, so that's good. Just gonna go ahead and set with this. I am gonna be trying out this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'm so excited. I'm also gonna be using a new brush. This is the Morphe E52 brush. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use this bad boy on this bronzer. And let me see what this hype is about. Oh wow. Perfect shade, perfect shade. It's not too harsh, which I like. It's not too harsh. It gives the right amount of bronzer for the skin. Oh my gosh, this is nice. And for the areas that I did not use the bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Honey Powder to set all over the face. For blush, I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Cosmetics Lovejoy blush. I love this blush. It is definitely time to get a new one. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the cheek. So I'm gonna go in and do the bottom of the lash line with the same colors. So I'm just gonna go in with these brown shades. All right, so I'm gonna be spraying my face with the Cover FX Dewy Finish Spray. And I love that this has this little ball in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and last but not least, for highlighter on the face, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Rose Gold, Radiant Rose Gold. All right, so for lips, I am so excited because this is a Black-owned brand. This is the Makeup Plug, and she came out with some lip glosses and a eyeliner that actually acts as an eyelash glue, but I'll talk about this in another video. These lip glosses are beautiful for the fall, and I cannot wait to try them. So for today's look, I think I'm gonna do this nude one, and it looks like this. Oh, it smells like peppermint. They're kind of pigment, but not really like. I'm thinking of like a satin liquid lipstick, I guess. So these will be perfect for like toppers because they're still a lip gloss consistency, kind of sheer but enough pigment. I'm actually gonna use this Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. I talk about this shade all the time. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink. These were in their new collection, like the coffee collection. This is in Chai Genius. I've never tried this before, but we're gonna put this on. This really smells like chai. I love chai. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Plug Nude Lip Gloss. Oh yeah, perfect. This is perfect. So this is the finished look. Y'all, this was a tough one. This PUR Cosmetics palette shocked me. I thought I was gonna create a bright look as one more summertime look, but fall is here in my opinion, so this even came out better. But I definitely liked the lip gloss and the Maybelline lipstick. Kudos to that. The La Mercier Perfecting Powder. The primer feels amazing. The Cover FX Dewy Setting Spray is definitely giving me a dewy look, which is what I like. I tried to work with this palette. I don't know, you guys. I gotta try it again. But it was definitely a little challenging to pull up the pigment when putting it on your eyes with the brushes. I don't know what that was about, but they swatched really, really nice in this palette. The bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, definitely 2 thumbs up. And you already know my thoughts on the the Born This Way matte foundation, and more details on that if you check out that video listed in the description box below. The brow product, not too bad. I think it will be perfect if you're trying to get in water, if you're traveling, or just on one of those hot days where you're sweating. I think it'd be perfect for that, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that as well. So everything actually came out pretty good. So I like the products that I tried out today. Let me know your comments down below if you tried any of these products. I know this video was probably all over the place because I was about to just womp it because of that eyeshadow, but I made it come through the best way that I could. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.